Glaciers and ice sheets hold about 69% of the world's fresh water. Just over 96% of the total amount of the world's water is held in its oceans, according to Water and Crisis, a guide to the world's freshwater resource by the United States Geological Survey. However, that's primarily salt water. To find the bulk of the world's fresh water, you need to trek to the poles, as 68.7% of it is encased in ice caps, permanent snow, and glaciers. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. Wind turbines clazzing hang onto your heads because this isn't your average windstorm. In 1996, a tropical cyclone named Olivia hit off the coast of Barrow Island, Australia, with such a force that it broke an incredible record. According to the Weather Channel, Olivia's arrival produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was 253 mph gust, which blew past the previous wind record of 231 mph set in Mount Washington, New Hampshire back in 1934. The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii. Double rainbow in Hawaii. Felix Nenzig. You are an avid rainbow gazer and want to get your fill of the beautiful phenomena? Look no further than the state of Hawaii. A study published by the American Meteorological Society in 2021 noted that the area mountain produced sharp gradients in clouds and rainfall, which are key to abundant rainbow sightings. Air pollution, pollen, and a large amount of cresting waves also help to put Hawaii at the top of the list when it comes to rainbow quantity and quality. There are fossilized plants in Greenland under 1.4 km of ice. Nuuk City, Greenland, very NPHED off. Around 80% of Greenland is covered by the Greenland ice sheet, which Britannica explains is the largest and possibly the only relic of the Pleistocene glaciation in the northern hemisphere. But has it always been so icy? Well, at the bottom of a 1.4 km core sample which was taken in 1966 at Camp Century during the Cold War, researchers found well-preserved fossil plants and biomolecules, which mean that the massive sheet melted and reformed at least once in the last million years. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more content.